Hi, this is Rich with Rich Baum Photography, Sacramento, California, and I want to welcome you to the 2019, the first episode of Tips and Tricks for Real Estate Photography, my YouTube channel. And I just want to say thank you very much to all of my subscribers out there who listen to me, who watch me, who follow me, and it's really been great. It's been a great ride, and I so appreciate all of your support, all of the emails and all of the comments from around the world. So I know I'm reaching people all over and helping people, but it's my pleasure. I want to thank you so much. So I want to just do this first video of the year to say, hey, I had a lot of things going on last year and I haven't done as many tutorials as I'd wanted, but I'm sure you'll understand. So I took a lot of December off from the YouTube channel and January, getting my act together. And I just want to give you a heads up and a recap of what was going on last year and what I'm doing this year. So I want to start off by saying, I've got my notepad so I can keep everything together. Okay, I want to say last year I started off big with my workshops. I did the Rich Baum Tips and Tricks Photography Workshop Tour, and I did workshops in Auburn, California, which are right by Sacramento, where I'm from. I went to Seattle, I went to Dallas. I met people from all over the country, and I taught a bunch of people. I think I had 12 workshops last year. It was a lot of fun. And if you're interested, I don't have any set up for this year, 2019, but you can go to my workshops. It'll be in the show notes. You can go to my website, go to my website and check out what the workshops consist of, what they cost, and when I'm doing them. And as soon as I have another one fully committed, planned, I will let you know, but I'm thinking about an East Coast tour, doing a little bit of the East Coast in coordination with some shoots and business I have on the East Coast. So I'll let you know, but if you're really interested, send me an email to rich@richbaum and put in rich@richbaum.com and put in the email that, or leave me a comment that you're interested, put in workshop information and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So got those workshops and they were a lot of fun. I taught a lot of people, and I'm going to actually be putting out one of my first videos of this year will be a little promo that my friend Sharon Claire made from one of the workshops. So look forward to that. Okay, next is my podcast. Okay. One of the biggest things between the workshop and the podcast. The podcast was a huge thing last year. We got it together really quick. And when I say we, I'm working with a very, very talented real estate design, architectural photographer, Brian Berkowitz, out of Long Island, New York, which is just outside of New York City or Manhattan. And he's a fantastic photographer, shoots some really incredible things. And he has some really interesting takes on the business because of what he shoots, and also he shoots a lot in Manhattan, so he takes subways into Manhattan sometimes. I can't even imagine riding a subway to go do an interior shoot or a real estate shoot, but he does it, and I want to welcome you to definitely check out the podcast. They're called Shooting Spaces, a real estate photography podcast, and you can check them out on the website or on iTunes. You can get it from the App Store, a couple of other places where you can get it from, and it's the only real estate specific podcast on the internet, I think, at the moment. So you can find that at www.shootingspacesPodcast.com, and you go check that out, and you can just listen right off of the website, or you can find it on where you get your podcasts. A lot of people love listening to it, going from shoot to shoot, and they have free time. What better to hear people talk about real estate, where we interview the best in the business, the best photographers. We have designers. We're interviewing designers. We're interviewing magazine photographers. We're interviewing companies that have real estate specific information, equipment that you can find really good things. So it's a really good resource. And we also have an opportunity called Ask the Guys, where you can record a 90-second question and ask the guys, Brian or I, or we will get somebody to answer it that's a professional in the business, and we'll answer your questions. So that's the podcast. And along with the podcast, we've started a new blog, which is kind of an all-encompassing, all-in-one resource for real estate photography. And actually, it could include architectural photography, design photography, anything shooting spaces. That's why we named it that. So you can check out our blog at www.shootingspaces.net. I'm sorry, let me rephrase that. www.shootingspaces.net. And I had to take net. We took net because .com was taken by a squatter and they wanted too much money, and we said we're not going to put up with that. So we went with .net. So we hope you'll understand, but I think everybody will. Okay, so I want to include in the new blog, I want to say that we have really great articles that are written by contributing writers that are experts in their field in the business of real estate and interiors photography. And there are people that are writing about, and you probably, if you follow the groups, you know a lot of these people, but they write about video for real estate photography, equipment, social media, all kinds of business. We have some great contributing writers and photographers that are helping with the blog, making really interesting things. So I would suggest you check it out. And if you're interested in being a contributing writer, please send us a message through Shooting Spaces and the website, or you can send me a personal email at rich@richbaum.com, and just in the headline, the subject matter, just put contributing writer information, and I'll get back to you right away and tell you about it. And who knows, you can be writing for our blog, and you can promote your website, and it's a lot of fun, and it really helps people. So it's been a good thing all around. We also are selling silly little things like t-shirts and presets and all kinds of things. So check out shootingspaces.net, okay? The next thing I want to talk about is coaching. I've been doing real estate photography coaching for about 4 years, maybe 5, and I've really never publicized it. So I'm really going to put an effort this year in 2019 I'm going to have a new website opening up, and it's going to be for my coaching. And what you can do is, if you're interested, you can send me an email at rich@richbaum.com, and you can just in the subject line put coaching information. But I do private one-on-one coaching with photographers that need help with anything that I work with: editing, darken mode, business, equipment, gear consultation, anything that you need help with real estate photography, and you want me to take you by the hand and work with you one-on-one. I usually do it by Skype, and I share my screen with you. I show you exactly how I do everything, and if you're interested in that, it works really, really well. I've had some great success over the last couple of years with photographers new to the business and some very experienced photographers in other genres, and they just needed help with real estate. Now, I'm really emphasizing real estate because there's plenty of information out there on design photography, on high-end architectural photography, but what I specifically work on with people, my YouTube channel and everything like that, is real estate photography. So I can help you get going, and if you're interested in that, send me a message, and as soon as I have my new website up for coaching, I'll be sure to let you know on my YouTube channel and on all the other channels I have. Okay, so coaching's a great thing. Think about it if you have been thinking about it. Okay, now I'm really interested in a subject here that I think is going to be a lot of fun for 2019, and that's going to be webinars and webcasting, and that's going to be bordering on all different things. It's going to be, our podcast is going to be broadcast, so we're going to start doing a video link to the podcast, so you can not only listen to it, but you can watch it. We're also going to be we're kind of working on this, and I'm just kind of releasing this a little prematurely, but when I have firm information on our first webinar or webcast, I will let you know. But be open to that, something that's going to be a lot of fun. We may do coaching sessions. We may do have guests on the podcast to have them edit. We're not sure where this is going, but it's really exciting, and I think it's a big future where we can do between 6, 10, 15, maybe up to 50 people joining us for these live webcasts where you can ask questions, you can join in. So we're not sure of the format, but keep your eye open for that, because that's going to be really exciting and a lot of fun. Okay, I really want to say that I just wanted to keep this fast and simple, and just let you know, got some really exciting things coming out. Again, the workshops were great, but for this year, I'm really excited about the podcasting, the new blog, shootingspaces.net, and our webcasting. So that's going to be really fun and exciting. So if you're interested, stay tuned to Rich Baum, the YouTube channel. I'll give you more information on that. I'm also really involved in all of the groups. So if you're new to this and you're really not on Facebook and you want to be, just do a search in Facebook for real estate photography, and you'll find various groups. There are several real estate groups, which are, one of mine is Real Estate Photography with Lights, which we really emphasize the use of lighting in the, we don't really deal with HDR and ambient photography, but we deal with lighting. But I have a twilight photography group, I have a design details group, I have Sony groups, I have all kinds of groups. So they're a lot of fun, and if you haven't checked them out, and I'm surprised how many people haven't known about this, go to Facebook and look up real estate photography. Do a search for it, and you'll find groups. Join our groups, have a lot of fun. I even have a Rich Baum Tips and Tricks Facebook group. So that's kind of my real little small group, and I'm helping a lot of people. So just go and check that out. I want to again thank all of my subscribers, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do that little subscribe button. And please use the affiliate link. So I've been an affiliate to Adorama, but now I'm an affiliate at B&H and Amazon. So that's going to be included in 2019. But just to let you know, those using that link and the little bit of money that comes back to me really helps support me and do this channel and take the time to do all these free videos for you. So I'm not going to be, even though I'm doing this new podcast and a new blog, I'm not going to be giving up on my YouTube channel. That's still going to be something I have a passion for and something that's really important to me. So I want to say thank you all, and welcome to the world of real estate photography. It's very exciting for me. I'm sure that all of you that shoot it can attest that it's much more difficult, a lot harder than people think. And it's funny, when I coach really talented, tops in their field, landscape photographers or design photographers, or food photographers, or I have motorcycle and speedway car photographers, I have all kinds of photographers that are top in their field, but they started shooting real estate and they found out really quickly that it's much harder than they thought and they need help. So this is the place for help. You can reach out to me and send me a comment. I always answer them. And send me emails to rich@richbaum. Keep it pertinent if you want. I'll try and answer your questions, but I can only get to so many. So commenting on the YouTube channels is usually about the best way. But we want to deal with the coaching, and we want to deal with the podcast and the blog. So that's my newest things, and the webinars and the webcasting. So stay tuned for Rich Baum. This is Rich with Rich Baum. I thought I was getting through this whole video without screwing up, but of course, I had a little faux pas, and I'm not going to edit this and cut that out because that's not what I do. This is not for production value. This is informational, and I know that all of you understand that because you've subscribed and you're coming back. So thank you again, and we'll leave all the links in the show notes, and hope to see you out there. And whatever you do, just keep getting better and shoot better. You'll get faster. I promise you, the more you do it and the more you learn, the faster you'll get. You'll get better products, better projects, and you'll get to be shooting higher end things, making more money, shooting better, enjoying life more, and then you'll make more money, and then you can get new gear, you can put it away in the bank, and you can go spend more time with your family and friends. So Rich with Rich Baum Photography saying, see you later. Thanks. Bye.